Hey, I'm going to show you two different equations and how they were done incorrectly, and then I'm going to show you how to correctly solve them. The first equation would be the square root of x minus 2 plus 5 equals 7. The student who solved this equation did the first step correctly by subtracting 5 from both sides, making it the square root of x minus 2 equals 2. But the student then incorrectly divided by a square root and ended up with the wrong solution as x equals 2 over square root plus 2, which really doesn't make much sense. You can't just divide by a square root because the square root is an action being done on the equation and not an actual value itself. So in order to correctly solve the problem, one would have to go to the point where they subtract 5 from both sides and then square both sides, doing the opposite of a square root, creating x minus 2 equals 4, and then final solution of x equals 6. The next problem that I'm going to go over is the sine of theta minus 2 plus 5 equals 7. The student again correctly subtracted 5 from both sides, but then he incorrectly made a similar mistake and just divided by sine instead of taking the opposite of that action, and ended up with theta equals 2 over sine plus 2. The correct way to solve that would be sine of theta minus 2 plus 5 equals 7. Subtract 5 from both sides. And then when you get down to the sine, to get rid of it, you would take the inverse sine of both sides, making it theta minus 2 equals the inverse sine of 2, and then theta equals inverse sine of 2 plus 2. Thank you.